In my book, The Connector's Way, the main character learns 7 rules for building business one relationship at a time. A question that I'm often asked is, hey, Patrick, of those 7 rules, which one is your favorite? And sometimes I'll play coy and say, oh, it's so hard to pick a favorite. It's like choosing your favorite child. Well, here's the thing. I actually have a favorite. My favorite rule is the 4th one, which is serve others without consideration for how you're going to benefit. We live in a world in which a lot of people are looking to extract value from relationships before giving value back to the people who they're connected with. When you go out there with a service mindset, amazing things can happen. I've seen that for myself, for my clients, and for my friends. 8 years ago, I decided to join Rotary International. It was always something I thought I should do. I had a Rotary scholarship and I wanted to give back to an organization whose mission is service above self. And Rotary works in so many different areas. There are 1.2 million Rotarians all over the world. So I joined for community service. I became membership chair and I talked to people who were joining for business networking reasons. They wanted to get stuff out of Rotary. Well, invariably, those people would drop out after a year or two because people could suss out someone who's strictly in an organization to extract value. But by giving to Rotary and by giving to the causes, both financially and through our volunteer hours, amazing things happen. We are doing good in the world and we're meeting other people who have value systems similar to ours. For me, what that resulted in was a referral into an industry I had never worked in before, one that is now our most important industry. Without that introduction from a Rotarian, it never would have happened. My story isn't unique. There are many people in our club who've told me that 1/4 to 1/3 of their business has come from meeting Rotarians and getting referred on to others and actually getting business from Rotarians. Now, they didn't join for that reason. It takes time. But if you go out there and you serve, you do something that you're passionate about and you associate with other people who share those values and interests, good things are bound to happen for you. You're going to be uplifted in the very act of service and people will notice you and feel confident and really feel great interest in sending business your way. So think about where you can serve. There's a lot of opportunities right now in this critical time of need in our country and all around the world. So find a cause, serve it well, and you will see the power of serving others without consideration for how you're going to benefit. Make it a great week.